Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we are currently on episode 4 of Miss Sketch Naga City Road to Crown. We will be having two sketches on this episode. One is for the promotion illustration, which you are currently seeing right now, and the next one after this is for the... Oh, I forgot. Yeah, it's for the swimsuit round. So for this sketch that is on your screen, running on your screen right now, this is not included on the official scoring of Miss Sketch Philippines. We are doing this for the promotion only for our sponsor. The dress that we are doing here on the video is an actual dress created by Zell. That is Zelle. So Zell Creation, as our sponsor, gave us, I think that was four dresses, 4 designs of real dresses, and we are to illustrate it. So we are divided into 4 again. I forgot how the others do look like. There are orange dress, there is a red gown, a blue off-shoulder dress with flowers, and this one. So you will just see later how this looks like. So we are divided in 4. There is a group that only has 2 members, and the others has 3 members, and also us. We are divided alphabetically, and so I was in group with Miss Sketch Isabella and Miss Sketch Manila, which I consider are one of those strong contenders of Miss Sketch Philippines. That's why I was kind of nervous, and I feel honored as well because I can see that they are, one of those really great contenders. I just felt like, am I one of these strong contenders? But no, then I just realized that we were just alphabetically selected. So that is why I am with them. As you will see on some of my videos on the first ones, Isabella, Manila, and Naga. So H-I, after I, J-K-L, and we have no J-K-L. We have M, which is Manila, and then Naga, which is my model. So we are just alphabetically arranged, but Miss Sketch Manila is really great. Her illustrations are, RB Ochenta's illustration, which is Manila is really great. Also, if you will be looking at some of his past creations, you will just be amazed by his age at 18 or 19 years old with, oh my goodness, a really great illustration, a great face. His Miss Sketch Philippines before also happened to be a former Miss Sketch Philippines International title holder. Also, Isabella, as all of us would know, looks like a real human, which is quite amazing. So let's get back to this sketch. So we are grouped. I was grouped on those 2 really strong contenders, and I am a newbie on this one. So yeah, I don't know if I was good or I I'm just blessed to be part of the group. But I think the overall result look really great as they post. So aside from the dress, we did added some, of course, an accessory, the hat, a big hat, and then we have same shoes. So our director, Mom Kaz, told us to, she showed us a photo of gladiator shoes, which we are to copy and make our models wear. So I have decided here that I will be making her sit on the chair, but actually I am not really satisfied with the result which I came up with. This one, I don't know, I think I made the body really small, too long legs and a big head. She looks disproportionate, which I don't really like about it. I'm glad that it is not included on the actual scoring, because this time I was really busy with my work from my client online. Of course, it's also about sketching. My work is also about drawing, illustration. So I was really busy at that time, so I wasn't able to give much time on creating this one. But gladly, I think I kind of pulled it out, but not really, because I think I can still do better than this one. So I was quite disappointed. I also thought of putting some chair as her props for this photo shoot, promotion slash photo shoot. But yeah, I think it's still just fine. Since she has already won the title, maybe we can just do better on the next time. I am actually putting a lot of effort and time on creating her new face. She's going to be what do you call this? She will be having a surgery, cosmetic surgery. Reconstructive? No, I think reconstructive surgery is a bit different. Major surgery is going to happen on her face. Since we are going to compete for the international pageant, there are lots of strong contenders on this international, so I really should be ready for that. So that's the result for the promotion, which I will also be showing you later on, on the next video. Yeah, you'll just see her full performance in the next video. But now, next is we are making the pose for the swimsuit round. Again, I am inexperienced, and I am really thankful for the mentors here, or the director, because our director is also our mentor during this sketch pageant. She will be asking us to do some tweaking and changing of things of what is best, what looks good and what doesn't look good. So she helped me a lot, of course. I've been changing the poses since I've been looking for what is best and somehow what is easier to do. But again, I was really thankful for our mentor, because of course, by the way, our mentor and our director here is Ma'am Kaz Ara. Her model is the former Miss Sketch International on the international pageant, not just on Miss Sketch Philippines, but her model is the current Miss Sketch International 2020. So just look at that. I've been grouped to RB Ochenta, which happens to be Miss Sketch, the creator of Miss Sketch Philippines International title holder in Miss Sketch Philippines, and is a placer on the international pageant, sketch pageant to be precise. And I am being mentored by Ma'am Kaz, which happens to be the Miss Sketch International title holder, I mean her model. So, which is really great, I think. I'm currently having the pressure right now of doing my illustration grade, so I would win the Miss Sketch pageant, but they are really helpful to me, and I think we have a great chance, and I hope I will be having the support from you guys for Miss Sketch Naga City. Also for this one, the designer of the swimsuit is Ma'am Kaz. I am calling her Ma'am as a respect. That's how I do pay respect for other people that is above me. So I call her Ma'am. So maybe others can call her Kaz. Ara, Kazara. She is really good on designing swimsuit. Yeah, because on Miss Sketch Universe, she is also the official swimsuit illustrator, or I mean the swimsuit designer for the Miss Sketch Universe. So it's her edge. She's really good at it. So I guess for the SPCFI overall, she is the designer of swimsuit, I think. As you can see there beside Miss Sketch Naga City is a dark skinned girl. She is the former Miss Sketch Philippines Universe, and she have won the Miss Sketch Universe 2020 title. So it is a pressure for the Miss Sketch Philippines Universe right now who have won, which happens to be Miss Sketch Manila. She will be competing on Miss Sketch Universe 2021. So it's kind of a really great challenge for the Miss Sketch Manila to give us a back-to-back for Miss Sketch Philippines, but I know that he has a really great edge on getting the title, so I hope Team Philippines will be bringing a higher ranking on sketch pageantry. So by the way, I'd like to say that we had to choose from 4 colors again. So we are grouped again, and I chose the yellow color. There are also other swimsuit that has different colors such as pink, white, and blue. So that's it for the swimsuit on how I made it and copied the design of Mamka's era. I hope guys you like this video. If you like it, please don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell down below.